Tired of side hustle ideas that sound too good to be true? You know, those ones where you're promised you'll be making $10,000 a month by working just 1 hour a day? Let's be real, most of those are just hype. But here's the good news. There are legitimate side hustles out there. Ones that you can actually start today and see real results. In this video, I'm breaking down 6 realistic side hustles that anyone can start in 2025. And the best part? They require little to no upfront cost. Whether you're a student juggling classes, a stay-at-home parent looking for extra income, or someone with a 9-to-5 who wants to be their own boss, these side hustles can fit into your life. We're talking about practical skills and services that are in demand right now. No more wasting time on empty promises. This is about real jobs, real results, and no fluff. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with a side hustle that combines creativity with business: print on demand. Now you might be thinking, isn't print on demand super saturated? There's definitely competition, but there's also a lot of opportunity. The beauty of print on demand is that you don't need to handle any inventory or shipping. You create the designs, and platforms like Printful or Printify take care of the rest. So, how do you get started? First things first, you need designs. But don't worry, you don't need to be the next Picasso. Canva is an incredibly user-friendly tool, even if you have zero graphic design experience. They have tons of templates and elements you can use to create eye-catching designs for t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, you name it. Once you've got some designs ready to go, it's time to set up shop. Etsy is a fantastic platform for selling print-on-demand products. It's known for handmade and unique items, making it the perfect marketplace to showcase your creations. The key here is to do your research. What are people searching for? What are the current trends? Use that information to your advantage when creating your designs and writing your product descriptions. The earning potential with print-on-demand really depends on your niche, the quality of your designs, and how effectively you market your products. The real magic of print-on-demand is that once you put in the initial work of creating your designs and setting up your shop, it becomes a mostly passive income stream. Orders come in, the print-on-demand company handles the fulfillment, and you get to reap the rewards. It's a fantastic way to make money while you sleep. Ever wished you had an extra pair of hands to help you manage your day-to-day tasks? Well, guess what? A lot of people do, and that's where virtual assistants come in. Being a VA is all about providing administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. The best part? You can often set your own hours and work from anywhere with an internet connection. So, what does a VA actually do? Honestly, the possibilities are pretty much endless. You could be managing emails and schedules, creating social media content, doing data entry, writing blog posts, the list goes on and on. The key is to find your niche, the skills you enjoy and excel at, and market those to potential clients. Getting started as a VA is all about highlighting your skills and experience. Create a professional resume and portfolio that showcases your abilities. Then start networking. Let your friends, family, and professional contacts know that you're open to VA opportunities. Don't underestimate the power of online platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These freelance marketplaces are teeming with clients looking for skilled virtual assistants. When crafting your profile, be specific about your services and your rates. Remember, you're providing value, so don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. The beauty of being a VA is that you have the flexibility to take on as many or as few clients as you'd like. It's a side hustle that truly works around your schedule. Let's be real. Crafting the perfect resume and cover letter can be a daunting task. It's time-consuming, often stressful. And let's face it, not everyone's a natural wordsmith, but that's where you come in, offering resume and cover letter writing services to help job seekers put their best foot forward. This side hustle is all about understanding what employers are looking for and translating a client's skills and experience into compelling documents that grab attention. If you've got a knack for writing, an eye for detail, and a passion for helping others succeed, this could be the perfect side hustle for you. So how do you get started? First things first, brush up on your resume and cover letter writing skills. There are tons of online resources and templates available to guide you. Then, create a portfolio of your work. If you don't have any paid clients yet, consider offering your services to friends or family members for free or at a discounted rate. Having tangible examples of your work will make a huge difference when you're pitching to potential clients. When it comes to finding clients, word of mouth is incredibly powerful. Let your network know about your services. Platforms like LinkedIn can be gold mines for connecting with professionals who are looking to revamp their resumes and cover letters. If you're a fan of organization and productivity, then you've probably heard of Notion, the all-in-one workspace that's taking the world by storm. But did you know that you can actually turn your love for Notion into a profitable side hustle by selling templates? Notion templates are pre-designed pages or workspaces that help users organize their notes, tasks, projects, and pretty much anything else you can think of. People are willing to pay for well-designed, functional templates that save them time and effort. The beauty of selling Notion templates is that you don't need to be a coding whiz or a design guru. Notion's intuitive interface makes it easy to create stunning and effective templates, even if you have zero technical experience. Start by identifying a problem or need that you can solve with a template. Maybe it's a student planner, a content calendar for bloggers, or a project management system for freelancers. Once you have a template idea, it's time to bring it to life. Notion offers a ton of customization options, so get creative with layouts, fonts, colors, and functionalities. The key is to create a template that's both visually appealing and incredibly user-friendly. When it comes to selling your templates, you have a few options. You can create your own website or online shop, or you can leverage existing platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. These platforms make it easy to list your templates, set your prices, and manage transactions. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting other companies' products or services and earning a commission on any sales that you generate through your unique referral link. It's like being a digital word-of-mouth marketer. You share products or services that you genuinely love and use, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you get a cut of the sale. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products, handle inventory, or deal with customer service. Your focus is solely on promoting and recommending. Plus, there are tons of affiliate programs out there for virtually every niche imaginable, from tech gadgets to fashion to online courses. To get started, you need to find affiliate programs that align with your interests and audience. Many companies offer their own affiliate programs, or you can join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or CJ Affiliate, which connect you with a wide range of brands and products. Once you're approved for an affiliate program, you'll get your unique referral link. Now it's time to start promoting. You can share your links on your website, blog, social media platforms, email list, or even through word of mouth. The key is to be authentic and transparent in your recommendations. Gone are the days when you needed thousands of followers to make money as a content creator. UGC, or user-generated content, is changing the game. Brands are increasingly turning to everyday people like you and me to create authentic and relatable content for their products or services. The beauty of being a UGC creator is that you don't need a fancy camera or professional editing skills. Most brands are looking for raw, unfiltered content that showcases how people actually use their products in their daily lives. You can shoot videos on your phone, edit them with basic apps, and still land paid gigs. So, how do you get started as a UGC creator? First, identify brands that you love and that align with your interests and values. Then reach out to them directly, or check out platforms like Billo, Incense, or Tribe, which connect brands with UGC creators. When pitching to brands, highlight your creativity, your enthusiasm for their products, and your ability to create engaging content. Don't be afraid to showcase your personality. Authenticity is key in the world of UGC. So, there you have it. 6 realistic side hustles that you can start in 2025 with little to no upfront cost. Whether you're passionate about design, organization, writing, or simply sharing your everyday life, there's a side hustle out there for you. And here's a bonus tip. Don't be afraid to combine 2 or more of these ideas to create a full-time income stream. For example, you could offer virtual assistant services alongside your print-on-demand business, or you could become a UGC creator while also doing affiliate marketing. The possibilities are endless. If you're hungry for even more side hustle inspiration, let me know in the comments below. I'm always on the lookout for new and exciting ways to make money. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos packed with realistic side hustle ideas. Until next time, keep